Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is CryptoTakeOver coming back with another video for you. Today I want to take a look at XRP. So we're going to jump into that really quick. Let's see where our XRP is at. Right down here, XRP the USDT. I thought I had another one saved. Let's see. Maybe not. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay. Let's go to this one here. This is Bitfinex. Yeah, let's take a look at Bitfinex. I think it had the most data to it, so just take a look here at XRP for a minute. Hey guys, thanks for all the subscribers and that I'm getting here lately. I know that indication down at the bottom is probably not right now. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to turn that off right now, so that way we don't get confused too much. But I am at like almost 1,000, so I'm going to be doing that BCH giveaway. Just sign up for the newsletter. It's that first link down in the description below, and I'm doing a $50 BCH giveaway. So the only way to be able to be valid for it is to be signed up for the newsletter, and then I'll do the drawing and I'll contact you through the newsletter or through email or Discord if you have a Discord, and then we can go from there, and I'll announce the winner through a YouTube video. So probably next couple of videos you'll be hearing about that as well. So we did have a drop in BTC, and I did update the Telegram group with a one-day chart that we had a red dot on our one-day chart. So y'all could have played off of that if y'all wanted to, but join the group. The Telegram group is there as well, and so is the Discord group down there. Y'all can join the Discord group and be part of our Discord members. We do have a few people in there that are chit-chatting every once in a while. So with that being said, let's jump into XRP here. Okay, what do we have? So oh yeah, I forgot I added these new, it's a new little indicator. This is off of Sin's channel. So all right. So thanks for coming back today. Let's see. So we're going to take a look at our 4-hour first, see what we have going on in here with Cipher. So it looks like we're still trending downwards. It might be a good opportunity to short right now, but it doesn't look like we're really closing anything or rounding anything off right now. It does still look like we still have some downwards momentum to go on here. And we also have our money flow is moving into the red as well too, so that could mean that we're gonna see some lower bottoms here. Possibly we could come back down and maybe test like this 18 cents or whatever, based off of our movement that we're having right now, because it's a pretty deep cut in our Cipher B pattern. It's a pretty nice sloping blue wave here that we have down to the downwards angle. Let's take a look at our 8-hour. Our 8-hour showing, yeah, so we are kind of riding above this yellow ribbon, which is actually the 21 simple moving average. So that is the 21. I had to talk to Flopping Groper a little bit and just ask him what some of the ribbons were. So if y'all have any questions about Market Cipher, y'all can message me and I can try and talk to Flopping Groper for y'all, or y'all can, if y'all are in the Discord group of Market Cipher, y'all can also just hit him up. He's been pretty helpful lately, and I know CryptoFace has been pretty busy, but yeah, Flopping Groper has been giving us some good TA to play off of as well. But we still have this big cut down in on the 8-hour, which could just end up being a further downside to maybe put in another big green dot as well. I would assume that's kind of what it's looking like, just based on how big this slope is right now on our 8 hours, that we could probably definitely come back down below the 60% point pivot wave down here. And we're also in the red money flow, so that could still indicate some more downwards movement. Yeah, I would definitely say 18 cents is definitely possible again. So right now we're sitting at about 19.7 or 19.17. And let's take a look at our 12-hour now. So we're kind of respecting this 21 simple moving average right now with our yellow line here. What Flopping Groper told me is that, you know, he considers that he likes the yellow 21, but At the same time, I think he does a lot of more like scalping, and he likes to play off of the VWAP ribbon, and the VWAP ribbon is let's see if we can find it here. I'll have to open it. Cipher SR, and on SR you have your VWAP pattern here. So as you can see, every time that we move underneath this white VWAP pattern, or this white VWAP ribbon, I guess you could say, that indicates that if it's acting as resistance, and that means the bears are in control. And then when we are up above that VWAP, that kind of means the bulls are in control. So right now we could definitely see this point as another point of resistance at about 1926, and right now we're kind of in this move at about 19 cents, and all the way up to like 1926. So let's take a look at our 1 day, see what's going on here. So as you can see, still overall trend is bearish as well. Probably could put in another red dot here on our 1 day. Our VWAP on our Cipher B looks like it wants to come down, and once this crosses over, we'll put in a red dot. So definitely some more downwards movement. Money flow is still in the red here. Even when money flow was green and we were coming down here a little bit, it's still just it couldn't get us very far, you know, on the way up, because this money flow started to turn red already, and then that just keeps us pressured down a lot more too. So as you can see, we were oversold here at our below 60 at about 17 cents, and we tried to consolidate back up, but I've heard a lot of people, well, you know, I would kind of consider this to be like a rising wedge, but at the same time there's just so much bearish momentum that I would say that rising wedge would not, or ascending wedge would not play out very well. So yeah, we could see like maybe a spike back up to like you know, 1990 or something like that. But man, let's just take a look here, because I know Crypto Kelly wanted me to like kind of look at this for her a little bit more. So let's see. Yeah, I mean, because we're retracing underneath the VWAP right now. Let's take a look at our 30-minute, and our pivot highs at about 1947. So honestly, I feel like the momentum just is too bearish right now for us to like continue up, even though our 30-minute, you know, seemed like it wants to cut up, but it would probably only get to the VWAP and then start to retrace. So maybe like 1930, possibly at the most, that we get above that VWAP, and then we just continue to come back down, possibly. And so each one of these stair step patterns is when our pivots reset, and so do the VWAPs reset. So then it gives basically the bears or the bulls another chance to get above or below that white VWAP as well. So when these reset, then we could see our VWAP come back down closer to that 1918 area, and then maybe the bulls can step through and then push above that VWAP pattern to send us, you know, possibly back up to wherever this this top pivot point resets to. And I would say probably about 1940 maybe, or somewhere around there, if we don't get above it today. So let's go back into our 3-day. Let's just look at the overall trend. I think we kind of know what the overall trend is still, but we'll just revisit it again. So as you can see here, yellow X on our 3-day does kind of seem like it's already kind of played out a little bit, kind of putting in a red little doji here on our 3-day. And then yeah, still I mean, very oversold on this EMA ribbon as well, way underneath our EMA ribbon. So we could definitely come back up and retest, but I would say that that's probably you know, 20 cents at the most, possibly, but it's going to be kind of hard for us to come back down there. I would say that this ribbon probably just comes and consolidates down towards our 1940 or 1930 area before we start to see some movement back up. Let's take a look back at our 8-hour real quick. Yeah, everything's still pretty bearish here on an 8-hour as well. Let's take a look at our 4-day. 4-day putting in a green dot. So yeah, some consolidation for sure. This isn't confirmed just yet though. and it doesn't look like it's too far below that 60% point down there as well. So it may not confirm. We may continue to go a little bit lower. We're still in our red money flow here as well, so some pressure still to consolidate downwards. And then yeah, look at our weekly. We'll probably need to come below the 60% moving, negative 60% pivot point as well to put in another big green dot. And last time we had a big green dot was back here, but that was like without very much red money flow. And now we just have we have quite a bit more red money flow. So I don't know if we'll end up shooting up that whole. I don't even know, man. How much did we shoot up here? I mean, we shot up quite a bit, to be honest. It was like 100% gain, but yeah, that's going to be kind of tough. Especially, let's take a look at our 2 week here. Yeah, huh. Yeah, I could see how we could definitely come back up and retest that, but it just looks like now our money flow is just going to continue to keep us down and oversold positioning. So that money flow, man, like it really does mean quite a bit. You know, I feel like that the money flow, the green and blue wave that we see on Cipher B, definitely that is what indicates the type of market that we are in. And so we are in a selling market, as we know, based on, you know, everything that's going on right now. You know, and so looking at these higher time frames and seeing red money flow, that just means that there's still a lot of selling pressure, right? So we kind of want to trade with the trend. The trend is your friend till the end, right? And so yeah, we can still just see that we're making lower lows here, right, on our 2 week, and then our monthly just about the same. No green dot on our monthly. Still probably need to come back down here and get underneath the 60% moving average. So yeah, man, we could be seeing some fire sales. I know some people call in for like 13 cents, 12 cents XRP. Hey, if we go there, like, it's a good opportunity. It sucks to be holding the bag though right now. So I get where y'all are coming from if y'all are just long-term hodlers, but I feel like we've been given the opportunity to learn how to trade this market just because of the losses that have occurred. And so it's kind of lesson learned on a lot of our parts, and we just kind of have to roll with the punches a little bit, but also it's a good learning lesson. So one of the guys I watch on YouTube quite a bit, he just talks about how, you know, if you get, like, let's say you just start trading or whatever, and you, you know, it doesn't turn out as well as you hoped it would. That's okay, because it's just a lesson learned, and then you produce even more golden eggs after that. You know, after you basically got your golden egg stolen from you, pretty much, or just, but that was just on own ignorance, right? Like not knowing how to trade and not knowing exactly what to do. So lesson learned, but then you just become better at it. And if you don't strive to become better at it, then you won't ever learn. So, and you won't ever better yourself. And we're just at the beginning of these markets too. So I feel like it's a great opportunity to learn how these markets like to move, and then that way we're just ahead of everyone else when they start FOMOing in later on, when we know where the overall crypto market is going, you know, and hence the name CryptoTakeOver. But we are in the beginning decades of this market, of these crypto markets. So let's learn them to the best of our ability, and we can all help each other out. The community is freaking awesome, dude. I think after that YouTube purge, like, people have just started like to come together a little bit more, which obviously helps the community as a whole. But you know, everyone's gonna have their opinions or whatever, and that's fine. But I really feel like the purge kind of brought some people together, which is good. And I know that the groups I'm actually in right now are very helpful, and we're all communicating in there. And then I relay messages back to my Telegram group and stuff like that. You know, just about hints of like where we could be going and stuff like that. I do have my Patreon group. If y'all want to sign up for that, y'all can watch my private videos that I have in there. I have one private video on altcoins that I'm going to be accumulating through this downwards movement, and y'all can check that out. And then the Telegram group as well. If y'all want to just buy and hold and hodl, I would recommend getting a Ledger Nano X or S. Y'all can use that link down in the description below. It's a cold cold storage hardware wallet that y'all can use. I am using TradingView. Y'all can check out the TradingView platform and better your trading there. It's like one of the top best places for cryptocurrency, and they have stock markets on there, Forex and everything too, right? And if y'all are interested in leverage trading, I would recommend using Bybit. Y'all can get signed up with that link down in the description below, but also y'all want to be really careful. Like I said, if y'all are brand new to trading and leverage trading in general, please just use a testnet first, get your algorithm down, make sure that you know exactly what you're doing when you're clicking these buttons on here, because it can be kind of confusing when you first look at it. But that's why Bybit offers the testnet, so that you can just use fake BTC basically to practice your trading. And the way you get signed up for that is by clicking that link down in the description below. And then also you come down here to the chat box with support, and then just ask them how to get signed up for or how to get located to the testnet. And it's like a 2-step process. They'll step you through it. But yeah, start practicing on testnet first, and then y'all can get y'all's algorithm down and decide if y'all want to continue with it or not. I do have the CryptoTab affiliate link as well. I'm probably about to make my first withdrawal. Or not my first withdrawal, sorry. I've made several withdrawals with CryptoTab, but I'm thinking about making a withdrawal soon. I may record it for y'all just to show y'all how easy it is to withdraw from here. Also, it takes a little bit longer, but I think that's like the same thing with Bybit. They have to get the BTC first or whatever, and then it withdraws from the wallet into whatever wallet you want it to. So get signed up for that. It's an easy way to earn passive income. And you can mine Bitcoin straight from your web browser. So pretty convenient. It's going to take up some computer resources, so just leave it on a computer like when you're not leave it running on your computer like when you're not working on anything as well. And that's a cool way to start making passive income. I have the Brave browser affiliate linked as well. I am a Brave browser content creator, so y'all can tip me in BAT token if y'all like by clicking the little BAT icon next to the YouTube video. And then also y'all can get paid by browsing the web and clicking ads by using this browser, and y'all get paid in BAT token. So pretty nifty, cool feature there. Y'all can follow me on Twitter. I have my Twitter handle, CryptoTakeOver_. Same thing on Instagram if y'all are interested. Crazy videos on there, crypto videos and stuff. So thanks y'all. Thanks for coming back. I would say a good entry point for XRP would probably be about 1930, 1940. But then we're just going to continue downwards, it looks like, from there. So just a heads up, y'all. The market is still in bearish patterns, and I know there's a lot of moon boys out there, but hey, when it's time to be a moon boy, I'll definitely decide to be a moon boy. But right now it doesn't look like we can call for the moon just yet, even though all the fundamentals line up, right? Especially with economies and this and that. But we kind of have to just take all that out of consideration. You got to really clear your head, especially when you're looking at these charts, and if you really want to learn how to trade, you got to clear your head from all of that other noise that's in there too. So be safe out there. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'll get back with y'all soon enough with a BTC update probably as well. And thank you for coming back to the channel. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and I'll speak with y'all soon. See ya.